Unveiling the Secret, the power of ace up one sleeve. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a very intriguing phrase, ace up one sleeve. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's explore together the origins, meanings, and uses of this popular expression. The phrase, ace up one sleeve, refers to a secret or hidden advantage that can be used when it is most needed. Imagine playing a card game where you secretly have an ace card up your sleeve. You can use it to ensure your victory at the right moment. Similarly, in life or specific situations, having an ace up your sleeve means you have a secret weapon or piece of information that can help you succeed or overcome a challenge when the time is right. The origin of ace up one sleeve can be traced back to the 19th century. It is believed to have come from the world of card games, where players might have literally hidden an ace card up their sleeve to cheat and secure a win at a crucial time. Over the years, this phrase transcended the literal context of card games and became a metaphor for having a strategic advantage in various aspects of life. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to incorporate ace up one sleeve into your everyday conversations or writing. In negotiations, even though the talks seemed to be at a standstill, John had an ace up his sleeve that could potentially turn the tables in his favor. In competitions, despite being the underdog, the team had an ace up their sleeve that the opponents weren't expecting. In personal challenges, she always has an ace up her sleeve when it comes to solving difficult problems. While ace up one sleeve is the most common form, you might also hear variations like an ace in the hole or a card up one sleeve. These expressions carry the same connotation of having a hidden advantage or secret strategy. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone mention they have an ace up their sleeve, you'll know exactly what they mean and the fascinating history behind this phrase. We hope you found this video enlightening and that it adds an extra card to your deck of English idioms. Until next time, keep learning and keep surprising people with your ace English skills.